All right, everybody, welcome back to Mondays with Mark. It's Monday, and I'm Mark. Thank you so much for joining me this week. And this week, I want to touch on something that I don't think I've actually touched on before. I want to talk about the importance of reapproval for your mortgage in Ontario. I know I've done a few videos, and I'm sure you've heard about the importance of pre-approval. But did you know that reapplying and being reapproved for your mortgage can increase your buying power? It can lower your monthly mortgage rates, and it can really give you a leg up if you are looking to get into the market or to upsize from your current home. It could really give you some extra leverage and some higher buying power that you may not even know that you have. So definitely worth the time to inquire and make a few calls to see if this is something that would work for you. So um, obviously, you've been pre-approved for a mortgage once. You probably think that you're already done and that's it. You're locked in for the 25, 30 years, whatever it is you signed up for, and you don't have to do anything else. Well, that's not exactly true. Now, a mortgage reapproval is a crucial step, especially in a market that's always changing in such dynamic fashions like the Ontario market. It's not just a formality. It might be a ticket to a much higher buying power or just a better quality of life by decreasing some of those monthly bills for you and your family. Like property values in Ontario are on the rise, and more often than not do continue to rise year over year, and that's fantastic. And here's the deal: as property values increase, so does your buying power if you own a home, because the equity in your home is continually going up. So that in turn will increase your buying power, making it much more feasible for you and your family to upsize to a bigger home, or take out a line of credit to do some renovations for the home that you're in. It really does open up a whole so many different avenues and options for you. And definitely, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's absolutely worth looking into. And it's a no obligation, no cost phone call to your lender, or even worth going around and looking for a second opinion, because there's no law that says you can't make a few phone calls and see if you can qualify for some better rates with some other people. If you're with a big one of the big banks like TD, Scotiabank, RBC, it may be worth looking into a mortgage broker that may go through some of the lesser known companies, and they may even come back with some pretty amazing rates for you that can really impact your buying power and potentially even change your life. So you kind of want to think about a reapproval for a mortgage as you're upgrading your financial status with the eyes of your lender. So there are many things that can impact this. Your income might have increased, your credit score may have improved, the value in your home has gone up, your relationship status may have changed. If you were single when you were approved originally and you've since been married, well, that's extra income to the household. That could also increase your buying power, lower your rates. All those factors can contribute to increasing your buying power and giving you more options in the Ontario real estate market. So now that we understand the why it's important, let's just quickly touch on the how. And the reapproval process is almost identical to the pre-approval or approval process with your mortgage lender. And it's going to include providing some updated income documentation, especially if your rate of pay is increased or you've gotten a new job with a higher salary. You want to make sure that you can document that. You want to demonstrate your increased home equity. Most of the times they'll ask for a licensed realtor to do up a quick market evaluation of your home so they can compare it to what the cost is now compared to when you bought it, so they can kind of help determine what equity is built up in your home. And if you've improved credit score, you want to demonstrate that as well, because these are all things that lenders take into consideration when they are coming up with a rate for you. So there you have it, guys. Never underestimate the power of a mortgage reapproval or even a second opinion. It's not just unnecessary paperwork. It could actually be a key to unlocking a whole new level of buying potential in this dynamic real estate market that we call the Ontario real estate market. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, especially if your mortgage is coming up for renewal or you are considering making a move from the home you're in now to something bigger to accommodate your growing family or your changing lifestyle. Hopefully you found a tip in this video that can really help guide you down the right path. And if you'd like to have a conversation with me, well, my information is never hard to find. And You can find me here on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all those channels. Reach out, let's connect, and find out how me and my team can help you and your family realize your real estate dream. So, thank you so much for joining me this Monday with Mark. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next Monday. Have a great week.